Hi there, this is Dr. Angus Pike here, founder of What Actually Works, where we help people to get well and to stay well. And in the previous couple of videos, we've really spent some time talking about exercise, the kind of exercise necessary for us to burn fat, the kind of exercise necessary for us to build a strong, lean body, and of course the kind of exercise that's necessary to flood our body with happy hormones, to have us coping with the stresses of work and daily activity from there as well. And we said that really there's three kinds of exercise. There's fast, slow, and heavy. And so we've spoken about fast and we've spoken about slow, and today we're going to spend some time talking about heavy. And of course what heavy is really all about resistance training. It's an opportunity for us to sculpt and tone and build a strong body from there as well. And many of us, particularly many women, tend to miss out on any kind of resistance training from there as well. And resistance training is all about building that lean body mass too, which we've spoken in previous videos, that lean body mass is one of the absolute keys to longevity, to health and to well-being from there. Now, resistance training, the great thing is it doesn't mean that you have to go to the gym. In fact, some of the best exercises that you'll ever do are just bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises are so important because it means that we need to kind of strengthen the whole body. In fact, when you're using and doing exercises like a push-up, it's not just your chest and arms that have to work, it's your core and legs to balance as well. So my absolute favorite bodyweight exercises are a push-up, a pull-up, a squat, a lunge, and a dip. And so these exercises are exercises that will use the entire body, and they're fabulous exercises for helping to build and sculpt a strong body. And you can do these at home and in a matter of minutes start to move your body and strengthen and balance it too. Now, I also really love the gym. Now, some people don't, but I think the gym is a great environment for you to be able to do that heavier, that resistance type workout. And when you're at the gym, I really love free weights. And I prefer free weights over machine weights because those free weights allow a much more natural body movement. They allow a greater range of motion for our joints there. And when the exercises are done properly, then I actually think that free weights reduce the risk of injury as well. Now, a word of caution for you as well. If you've never done resistance exercises before, if you've never used these free weights before, then some of the best investments that you'll ever make is to have a few sessions with a personal trainer. Have somebody show you how to do these exercises. Form is important. When our form gets out of whack, then we're much more likely to injure our body. And when we injure our body, we can't exercise and we start a nasty kind of spiraling down cascade. So some time with a personal trainer or your gym assistants there as well to show you through these exercises is a really fabulous investment. So when it comes to heavy workouts, then again, timeframes are important here. I think a resistance workout at the absolute maximum shouldn't go beyond 40 minutes. What the research tells us is that when our workouts start to go beyond 40 minutes, our cortisol levels, our stress chemicals, start to increase. Now what this means is those cortisol levels actually break down muscle tissue. It's completely counterproductive to what we're trying to achieve. And so most of my gym workouts from there range anywhere between 25 and 35 minutes. So it's a great efficient workout as well. And so these resistant workouts, like the speed workouts that we talked about in a previous video, the fast workouts, need to be happening anywhere between twice and 3 times a week as well. So over the last few videos, we've spent some time talking through the 3 pillars of exercise. We've spoken about fast, we've spoken about slow, and we've spoken about heavy. Now, making these a part of your week is really what will help to drive you towards that great healthy body, a strong, lean and toned body from there as well. And not only that, a body that's engaged and energetic from there too, one that's ready to cope with life's ups and downs. And so this has been Dr. Angus Pike here, founder of What Actually Works, and this video is a part of a video series of 20 videos that I put together that really answers the most frequently asked questions that I've had over the last 15 years. Questions around how should I eat? How have I got to get less stress on my body? Questions around exercise, in fact, everything in between. And there's also some terrific videos here on behaviour change, which is putting it all together so you can get the results. So you'll find all of those videos at www.whatactuallyworks.com.au. I look forward to seeing you soon.